Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. By tapping on it once you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change device identification, you can select AP band, you can hide its SSID, you can share QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can turn off hotspot automatically, you can use it USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering, and you can also manage connected devices. You can set limit of connected devices, and you can add these devices to block list too. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.